Mrashebijumwa Select Committee on Health member. My yenin komo muka last week ye on test our COVID yedine kasai edin komo bebre and we told sir binum about 2 MPs and 13 workers and be if he's aware na test ne dia ba Dr. Anopay Emwache Benchra FM
I'm Joseph here 84
na bibia boko dem
na me consistency together to call for na me chair one me party me for the squad so yeah.
Great. Now, what your result there? Test result?
Oh yes, I mean, and
what was the feeling? Yeah. Now we're trying results.
Oh, for me, there first of all, it's a medical doctor.
Yes.
Me prefer something who than say meaning.
Okay.
You are honoma. Onya ya sabi na usu. But as a medical doctor, and I think professionally. Me prefer me who than say meaning.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever the outcome will be, now me ready to be okay.
I see.
It will save me and my constituency.
Exactly. Exactly.
So it will be a me family sign we come for. Me family me for. It's better. And I mean, I'm a family trouble. And then me make crampono eswamia. Say before pian to ata okwa, you save a lot. But over pretend say. You don't want to know about it now. The best time call for it. It's a catastrophe.
But
obviously,
I want to believe, say, when you be a trouble no walk off. I mean, BBH miss.
Oh, BBH miss.
Exactly.
Exactly. Anything can happen. But I was one of the first persons that almost had to inspire me. You know, encouraging some of my friends. Say, hey, you got to go and do it. Very important. The me koye straight away. Me yes or no. Me adom results me buy no. Me negative.
But omudu bia result amano mnashibijom.
Normally that test we we are positive. I obinya okon temo.
Oh okay.
Normally no negatives no wa only be no ohunya sa. But say bia okoye ne na nipa 100 nipa 2 ne bia. Ye test ni we are 2 no me frɛ ho 10.
Okay.
Ndi omo aka no de onti afia nature say unibi but later on results no could do we say oh na me ni bi.
Okay.
Normally omo ye their interest is on the positives.
The positives, okay. Yes. But when your confirmation say a nipa 2 MPs and be about 13 workers of the house and so be.
I mean, say, no, you're very busy, especially on finance committee. The review of the 2019 debt stock, the annual budget, finance and debt, annual debt. No, you work on it with the Minister of Finance. The whole day, now you're stuck. In terms of the 4 or 5, you pay them who's teaching to be a friend. Let me check and who's it was online there, MPs 2. And the parliamentary staff. That was almost around 5:36. In the end, definitely, whatever is the issue, you could do parliament and our mobile before we are on side, Yes.
I see.
But it appears is the truth.
It appears is the truth.
I think so because virtually every MP knew, and everybody was talking about it on the platforms of MPs. Obi no deny it is not official, but obviously.
Okay. I have one of your leaders, Minority Chief Whip Muntaka Mubarak. I confirm say it is true, say 2 MPs and 13 staff are tested positive for the COVID-19 on our sister station Joy FM and Opay.
Obviously, or your leadership or your part of I'm part of the health committee leadership.
Yeah.
Muntaka is part of the parliamentary leadership because majority chief whip. It is a results no ba enrana. The leadership will pull into a lobby for discussion to enable.
Okay.
Be do and there definitely they will tell us. Yes.
Anyway,
Muntaka Akadia na no kwe.
The big question maybe why the bro ya he specific answer was should we make it known individuals be because we leaders
question radio for the crisis in
because I country making it known Buama Ukraine.
That responsibility should be solely on the legislator. That responsibility, at this point, a patient confidentiality, and the laws also protect the confidentiality. Regulations protect patient's confidentiality. Now, patient go to me a breaky and news, and what's a patient not dream when you can the right frame of mind. I was not dream the busia the decisions of the cow public, purely the responsibility of patient. At this point, I don't think there or your MP or your patient into the rules of that governance of patients, ever take a strong position into this point. There, obi no obet me abobo mudin. Only a konankasa no obet me abekase. We will be now. The Ombeyena a double public no say Ombebusa no be a wakobia Hananesia and no indirectly no a bit me about be Pierre that is a ombet me home yako Abia Nebusia for Abia the constituency Abia Mekoha and no a bit me a momo clue kakra as of Oniakro but another a different instance. Thinking about this speculation, different from when you are say a year or no. At this point, in health workers, you're careful because the patient can sue, but you do society, MP, and a minister, and a politician be bold enough to come and say, me wo. But that is okay, and you're a champion or you're a champion. I encourage a lot of people to be that bold. I mean, say one. I am positive, I'm that Buddha. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why our problem with the issue of stigmatization will main pamo will be, and I think say a bianca yenya MPC to me a Buddha can and no be crab it me a solve issues of stigmatization. Yes, we been so kasa ahwe nso a o kanwe ya open and crowd the campaign etia no say ba say or ye campaign in anywhere ama
yeah o call prime minister I say the campaign can be be no rough. At that point you don't even think you are no more a doctor, it's more of a politician how you score your vote.
Wow, can you take undue advantage?
But we have to be frank to ourselves. I mean, they see a frank chat in public. Oh, there will be a frank enough.
Exactly.
I mean, politics in free. We are human beings.
Sure.
We are. I'm not a doctor now. I'm a politician.
A politician.
So obviously, there will be a konya. We know you're my opponent. Jack, I'll go below the belt. Once you probably record me at the Aba and Mamika Preko, that's likely to be what will happen.
But doctor, then the fight against the stigmatization and you can say,
yes, probably you're betting other champions, you're betting a champion that, but on the scale of a politician, for instance, would be a primaries. But for instance, I mean, even your NDC and also on the primaries, what was that?
Yeah.
Now, between now and the next month, because 80% of the cases in here, it becomes a normal thing. In fact, take a person after a week or two, or you're negative. So I say, in the immune system, you're strong. Oh, and it's a that's somebody able to be able to help the system there. And can you back to kill off the stigmatization because your country, of course, your literacy level, of course, I mean, it's not as high as other Western societies. So, because of that, superstition, your culture, your norms, your values, the way of living, you're a bit different from the West. A lot of rumors can make and not make. Perception spreads wild because of the way your culture and your society is here. Into stigmatization, and definitely, I was here breaking up. one day you may get somebody who will be positive, who will be bold enough to say, Jack, I am. And then no problem, more confidence in patients. But I'm not too sure if the politician will be the one who started.
One thing I like about you is Okanokre, no matter what the situation.
Thank you very much.
And I'm grateful to that. I'm happy. Yeah, not a hypocrite. Maybe home. But I like your boldness and how frank you are. Doctor, my now I say na ye mompa ye nhwe se ye betimi agide the issue of stigmatization or me when aboa ma yare no kon no etimi agina. I'm grateful, but my Mr. Would you expect the president to be lifted the ban on social gathering, including schools, churches, everything coming a next announcement obey?
Me say all over the world Nhyira, and say governments and people know you are going to point to be fair. Coronavirus no are very part of us. The only way I was say you're trying to say
okay,
because 70% of the cases will be near one kasa also. All over the world, it's likely say from June, July, August, will be easy restrictions. Ama Omaka said the responsibility is on women, our your boy your bra, but it ain't too much. So no, a better restrictive, but me sure say on the allowances because you need that beko. The beko in 10 years frankly, can we do this for 10 years?
Not at all.
You don't know. So we have to be bold to know that we have met the challenge. Let us find a way a bit maybe atna, but however, no, life will have to go on. It's most likely that this will be the team. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Doctor, but I was say, Doctor Nana, are you a free member of Parliament at the if you just say, Aso Kore, now Moten and Kano. Sorry, 40 minutes past 7, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Ma, yena ya humra na